welcome to Wellington, everyone. For your safety, you must remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned off. Also, be careful when opening the overhead lockers, as items could fall out. It is now safe for transmitting functions on your electronic devices to be turned on. If you have finished with your newspapers or magazines, please support our recycling efforts by taking these with you and placing them in the recycling bins on the air bridges. Ladies and gentlemen, we do hope you've enjoyed your flight with us today. From all of us, thank you for flying in New Zealand on the Star Alliance.